The world's most easiest burger patty. This is one of the recipes and many more in my Divine You cookbook. I know, right? It's for the plant eater, the future plant eater, and all the people in between. It's amazing. This is so simple. Have a look at these ingredients. There's no beans or legumes involved here or even rice. It's really that easy. And the whole process requires a food processor and a bowl. I know, right? So this is all you're going to do. And this is the greatest burger on the planet because it's tasty, isn't it? Yeah. We make it all the time. It's great on a big burger bun with my amazing anti-inflammatory mayonnaise, which is another recipe in my cookbook. It's just amazing. I can't express to you enough how easy this is, and I'm so glad there's no beans in it, you know, legumes and stuff. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to put everything into here besides the dry ingredients, which are the breadcrumbs, the flour, and the psyllium. That's going to sit aside. And then into the food processor is the mushrooms, the leek, carrot, garlic cloves, oregano, and now you're going to add your herbs. And some beautiful fresh basil and parsley, just chopped off roughly, just like that, and then straight into the food processor. I know, right? It is easy and simple with beautiful ingredients. And you're going to whiz this for about 5 seconds. Next, I'm going to add some salt and pepper, building blocks of flavour. I'm going to whiz it again for another 2 or 3 seconds. That simple. Straight into the bowl. Now you're going to add your dry ingredients, which is your breadcrumbs, your psyllium, and your cassava flour. Give this a really good mix. And it's quite crumbly now, and it doesn't look like it's going to hold. What you're going to do, you're going to take half of this, put it back into the food processor. And give it a whiz for about 5 seconds. Then you're going to take that. It's so cool. Every time I make these, I just think to myself, how easy is this? Every recipe throughout my cookbook is designed with your ultimate health in mind. In other words, your organs know exactly what to do with these ingredients. Unless you're allergic to something, that's a whole different story. And these are simple ingredients you can get pretty much at any supermarket or farmer's market. Amazing carrots and leeks and garlic, oh my goodness. And the dried spices. So now I'm going to take a bit of that patty. This is what I'm going to do. So just take it into your hand like this. And this is the important part of this whole entire cookbook, is understanding where you're at and with your intention. So for me, I'm feeling really excited, feeling a little bit rushed. I need to calm down, taste it. Make sure there's enough pepper and salt in there, which just needs a little bit more salt. Then I'm going to take each patty and I'm going to roll it into a ball like this. I'm just going to squish it down like this and making a nice flat burger. And you're going to do that to every single patty, straight onto the breadcrumbs, and repeat. Tossing them in some breadcrumbs, straight over to the barbecue plate, just a splash of oil, and straight on. And you cook them until they are golden brown. Nice and brown, yummy smelling in the house, right guys? I've got some beautiful charcoal bread rolls. You can use any bread roll you like. I just want to toast them to get them nice and fresh. And I just put them at the end of the barbecue plate. And then we're going to put them all together and eat them. And this is one of the many recipes in my incredible cookbook that is all plant-based, that has incredible stories of each recipe in there, that has this ability to get you thinking about food and not just healthy food or trying to be healthy or trying to be plant-based. This is just deliciousness that's all done with real ingredients, and it's all gluten-free as well. Turn off the heat. A couple of these. Oh, they're hot, they're hot, they're hot, hot. A couple of patties. And then what you want to do is build your burger with anything you like. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. So I've got some lettuce, some tomatoes. I've got some sauerkraut because I had some in the fridge. I've got some of my lovely pickles, which is in this incredible cookbook. And they're the best pickles. Are they not the best pickles?
They are the best pickles.
They're amazing. They taste just phenomenal. And then a patty. And another patty. And you can have some of my anti-inflammatory dressing or tomato sauce on one. It's up to you. And that's it. One of the many recipes in my brand new cookbook. Click the link below, jump in, get it. It's amazing. There's nothing like flipping through a beautiful plant-based cookbook that serves your ultimate health, but gets you all yummy and nourished and salivation central.